Stop. Stand still. Simply be. I invite you to breathe in gratitude. No thinking, just pure gratitude. No matter how grateful or ungrateful you may have felt before. Breathe in gratitude. And I invite you on the exhale to a perfect pairing for gratitude. And that is simply letting go. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out, letting go. Standing in stillness, simply being. I invite you now into the look step of slow. Remain in the stillness. Continue to breathe in gratitude. Letting go on the exhale. As we become more present to where we are. And I invite you to be here in this special place, this special sacred space of nature with me in this moment of the practice. Present to this grand vista, looking over the marshlands toward the bay and the ocean beyond, the fog hovering above. No thoughts, simply presence, simply connection. Breathing in gratitude for this beauty, gratitude for nature, for water, for wetlands, for wildlands, for all the life, the immensity of life, hidden in this frame. Allow yourself to be present to the peace of this place. Allow your deepening presence to support the stillness. Allow your deepening presence to allow you to even more richly feel what it means to simply be. Simply being in peace. And as much as I would love to just stay here in this space of stillness all day, I invite you now for the next step of the practice to orient from where we are to where we want to be. And again, if you're like me, it's more of this, more of this beauty. And hey, what a great orientation. Orienting to more natural beauty in our lives. Which way do I turn? Beauty all around. Let's just follow our trail. Let us simply walk our path. Bringing more nature into our vision, into our daily lives. What could be more nourishing, more nurturing than that? Treading lightly as we go, appreciating the natural path, helping protect, preserve, regenerate. Happy trails. Walk your why. What a magnificent day. Grateful to have had you with me on this journey.